don't want to stay under the sunlight for a few minutes. You just go down here, you make a U-turn, you avoid queuing. See? So smart! People are gonna call me Mayabang. So fucking arrogant. So arrogant, foreigner, Mayabang. Please. Yeah, morning. 100 please. 100. Oh. Thank you. Fuck. For the lost my keys. Putain mais là. You know that moment where you really think you're gonna lose? Put in my other pocket. So the other pocket was open. Whew. House keys. Hey Kuya, thank you. House keys and my lock. I can do it again, but it's a bit annoying. 100 pesos please. I'm running low this time, so I'll put only 100. I just get 2 pesos point from Petron. That's what I like about Petron. So fresh fork, fresh joint. So they changed this and they changed the brake pad also. See, very clean, oh shit, very clean. It's a good day out. No, yesterday I had a big heavy rain on my ass. That's why. Fork fixed. The fork problem is fixed. Honda take a few weeks to send the part. I pay 950, so including 240 for the oil for the fork. Tapos brake pad was 600 something. It took like 2 hours. Anyway, what I was waiting, at least is not done, is fixed. I think it's a good maintenance tip to do. Change your oil fork when you get to, this is only 10k. I only changed because he has a problem, but if you get to 20,000 kilometers, maybe change your oil fork, you know, it's a good thing. So while I was waiting for my bike to be fixed, some guy came next to me and he was like, where are you from? I said, France. Oh, very rich country. I said, yeah, okay. You know, Philippines very poor. Okay. So I don't say anything, I just say, oh, alright. Then he's like, what are you doing here? I said, I'm walking. You're walking here, but there's no money in the Philippines. Like, woo, my friend. There is people with money for sure. Anyway, I said, oh, okay, yeah. I just ignore the guy. Then he's like, why you come here, honestly? Like, so I reply, well, it's not about the money, you know. It's not always about the money. He probably thought I was rich already. So, and then I have the KYT NX race with me. And then the guys look at the helmet, he's like, how much is this? So I reply, no, I don't know, it was a present, I don't know the price. Imagine if I tell him that it costs 16k for the helmet, he's gonna think, that guy must be rich. So yeah, it's kind of true. Yeah, Philippines is a poor country compared to Europe for sure. There is no money here, you know. It's not true. It all depends where do you work and your skills, obviously. Then for me, you know, most Filipinos go abroad anyway. That's why they're like, why are you coming here? We want to go abroad and you want to come here. obviously you go abroad, you save money, or you just want to live in a better country, better place, right? Why not? Me, I come here for the quality of life. That's why I came here. You know, yes, I might not make what I used to make before money wise, but it's all depend what you want basically. I'm not saying that I'm rich and I don't need any money. I'm like everybody else, bills to pay and everything, but it's more about the quality of life than anything else. Then the money. Money. Look at that weather, seriously. Now it's like probably 30 degrees. In London now it's a fucking 20 degrees and it's summer. And this is like this the whole year. When you come to October in London it's cold. It's cold until June next year. Maybe May. But yeah, the weather does a lot. Hey, what's up girls? Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Bitches! The wave power, the Mio power, that's sporty too. Nice! Very busy guy. Make a lot of money. What's going on? What's going on? Hopefully everybody is okay. Small crash or big crash? Why is... okay, yeah. I get it now. Well, maybe we should push your car on the side to make sure everybody is. To make sure everybody else can pass, no? Put it on the right, make more space. I don't know, it's just me, you know. Maybe I'm being Mayabang and, you know, those people are so humble to, you know. Maybe I'm just fucking asshole again, saying what I think. Diba? Ah, big bike. Oh, big bike. Oi! I'm going to work in the Philippines with your Uzi. PULIS. Ready to serve. Only in the Philippines. Only here to do that. Security first, guys. Security and safety. Some people must pass by sometime and take the money, no? For sure. Stupid. Let the guy do, and then he can go quicker and safer when you go at the back. Ah! Where's the love? The t-shirt. Sorry bro. You make a run or you...
always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine.
Hello. I'm looking actually for a spot for CB. You have any part for CB150?
Ano po? Parts for CB150?
No. Thank you.
Ano sir? Handle grip only for universal.
Thank you. Marvel. On the bone only. Would you have racing boy?
Order lang pala. Wait, wait lang order. Sorry, dapat. Ayun. Ewan lang. Oo pala.
Thank you. No part, no part, no part. I'm looking for a few things for the CB, but probably better go to Kalokan. There's a few CB parts, but the rest is look like not what I want. You have tire though. Should check the tire.